Protect your vehicle while in storage with these clever and convenient cord sleeves from Kospec design. Made of soft microfiber material, these cord sleeves reduce the risk of scratches in your paint or chrome from battery maintainer cords. The soft protective barrier easily wraps around the power cords of your battery charger to make sure only soft microfiber comes in contact with your vehicle's painted, chrome-plated, or delicate surfaces. To install, simply unroll and lay the cord sleeve flat. The Kospec sleeve utilizes Velcro fastening the length of the 30-inch sleeve. This design makes it easy to remove, adjust, or replace as needed. The cord sleeves are not limited to just battery charger cords. You can also use the cord sleeves on power cords of any garage items that come in contact with your vehicle. You can use on your favorite orbital polisher, heat gun, corded vacuum, power tool, work light, and more. The cord sleeves are sold individually and are machine washable for easy care and maintenance.